All he wanna do is gas me. How
welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, I'm Jonisha, but everyone calls me Nisha. And if you are a returning subscriber or just someone that has been returning and have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave today if you do like this content. So today, well, first let's just get into I have not been uploading, you guys. My life has been crazy. I have been hustling like ass off. I have been working so hard. I have been, you know, just rebranding myself, getting into myself. I needed a little self-care time, but I am here. I am great. I am living life. Okay, so today's video is a luxury unboxing, and I wanted to say that I purchased this back in June, so I think June 6th, last month sometime, and I have not opened the package as of yet. So that's how long it's been sitting in my closet. I wanted to open it with you guys and do like a first impression, and it was so hard for me to not open this package, but here we are. So let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, so let's first get into the packaging. Okay, this it came in a box. It did come in a box, but I did take the box out and just toss it because I have so many boxes in here. So let's first get into, this is how it is in the plastic. So I wanted to show you guys, like, I have not even, and I'm pretty sure this came from the warehouse because it doesn't even have like the little, you know, where you would open it and you can maybe like retape it back, how that has a little flip, whatever. But as you can see, it is a Saint Laurent item. And here we go, you guys. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Saint Laurent, that's bag, of course, always. And I did purchase this item from Nordstrom. Y'all know how I feel about Nordstrom. So we are going to be taking it out. Okay, it's a little bit smaller than I expected it to be, but okay. So this is the tag, and we'll get into all of that. YSL, their price on this item, and the Nordstrom sticker in case you want to return it. It was attached, but it came detached. So, okay, this is the item. This is the item, which I love the color. Hopefully y'all can see. I love red. You guys know how I feel. That's one of my favorite colors. It's like a vanity case bag. I think that's the name of it. The bag, it's called the 80s vanity case, and this is the color Rouge. They have, I know I've seen a couple of colors. They have black. I'll leave some on the screen. They have black, cream, red, and I think that's it. So I decided to go with the red one because I think red is just so gorgeous. And I don't know if y'all can see, but I know y'all can see this little YSL tag here, which is so cute. And on the zipper part, it does say Saint Laurent here. So I knew the bag was going to be a little smaller because I did see like a video on here on YouTube, but it wasn't like a whole review. It was just like a little snippet of the bag, which was perfectly fine. But I think this bag is super cute, and for the price, we'll get into that. It's a really cute small bag, and you can definitely probably wear a crossbody. I'm gonna see, because I did see a couple of reviews on Nordstrom.com itself saying that the bag was a little bit too small to be crossbody. So when you open it up, you know, it has the zipper. You can have the zipper meet in the middle, or whichever side you want it to connect. That is so cute. You're gonna open it up, and this is the inside. Not a lot of stuff you can probably put in here, but it is a little deep. It does have this back compartment and has the Saint Laurent little envelope. Has a little back pocket, but I rarely use those little back pockets. But if you want to put a little card holder, let me see what else. The most important thing I think you would need is your phone, and that fits perfect inside, laying down. What else? I have keys, but I have like a whole thing of keys, so I would probably just put my car keys in here. You can definitely probably throw some lip gloss, all that kind of stuff. So it is small, but it is spacious at the same time. I think it's still cute. Let me know what y'all think about it. It does have the gold hardware. Y'all know how I feel about some gold. Go ahead and put it on the last strap of the bag, and y'all, it's definitely too small for a crossbody, which is kind of unfortunate, but y'all know I'm a on the shoulder kind of girl. I'm on the go most of the times, so I feel like this will still be cute. I'm just like, I'm kind of like 50-50 right now. Do I want to return it? Do I want to keep it? I love the color. It's just like, I'm kind of like, maybe if I pair it with something cute, if I find some definitely cute outfits. I would definitely have to fill her up. She is a little bit flat, or like has lost her shape. Not lost her shape, but she's a little empty. So, and another thing, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it because I have to keep playing with them. I just like my stuff to go with the flow, okay? But I'm gonna tell y'all right now, the price of the bag was originally $1,690. Yeah, it is according to the Saint Laurent website, it is the 80s vanity bag, quilted grande poudre, embossed leather. It was $16.90, and they do have the 3 colors like I was telling you guys. I did not pay that. That is basically all the information about the bag. I will leave different links down below of where you can purchase this bag, and I hope you like this video. Please leave me a comment down below letting me know how you feel about the bag, and for the price, would you definitely keep it, because it was still on the fence about it. So I'll do like a update on if I kept the bag in a few weeks or whatever, or if I let it go. So anyway, I hope you did enjoy this video, and I'm so happy to be back. And if you aren't following me on my Instagram, make sure you follow me over there. And if you aren't subscribed to this channel, make sure you're subscribed. And thanks for continuing to support me, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye. I'ma slide in the way it fit. I could tell we match. All up on my racks, hella cheese out for rent.